Mehta College welcomes all the participants to our intercollegiate event, SciTech Fest 2020. So, in this particular SciTech Fest 2020, Science Department has organized a few events, and out of that, this one is the happiness in a digital way. So, I know that you all are very enthusiastic, and enthusiasm is very much for this event. All are ready with the costumes. Before starting the event, I would like to introduce today's judge. Our judge today is Assistant Professor Dr. Shweta Rathod, ma'am, and event in charge myself, Sandhya Patil, and Assistant Professor Rajashri Pisal, ma'am. So, without further delay, I would like to start with the event. As you all know the rules of the event, the participant must be dressed in the decent traditional outfit. Moderate makeup will be preferred. 1 minute time will be given to each participant in which he or she can present. The presentation freedom is entirely given to the participant in whatever way, if he wants to the ramp walk or if he wants to talk something, anyway, that is complete freedom is to the participant. And judge's decision will be the final decision. So first, whenever the participant will come, he or she has to announce his name, but not the college name. Okay, college name should not be uh, disclosed here in the event. That's why you will just say your name and then start. At the start only, the enthusiasm of the event is so much. I told that I got a message from a 6-year child's mother that her son wants to participate or in it, but I told ma'am that it is a event for intercollegiate event, so we cannot take as a participant, but obviously if he wants to come on the screen and if he is happy with that, we have to give him a chance to come on screen. And today being it is being the World Science Day, he is dressed up with scientist, I think. So let us start this with the little sweet boy, Ritvik Rajiv. Ritvik Rajiv's mother, please switch on the camera.
Hi everybody, my name is Ritik Rajiv. Today I am going to explain.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Hi everybody, my name is Ritik Rajiv. Today I am going to tell about galaxy, solar system, sun. It is the largest star, but there are more stars larger than the sun, like the giant blue star. Starting from Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest planet to the sun. Next closest planet to the sun is Venus. Venus is the same size as the Earth and it is the hottest planet. Moving to my favorite planet, that is Earth. It has suitable weathers and there are lots of beautiful things to explore. And next, uh, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mars. Mars is also called as the red planet because its appearance is reddish color. Next comes Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is filled with strong dust storms. that can also cover the whole planet. Saturn. Saturn is also my favorite planet because it has beautiful rings on its outside. The rings are made of particles of dust and ice. Next, Uranus. Uranus. Some artist says that we can draw rings with Uranus also. Next comes the coldest planet, uh, Neptune. Just like I said, it is the coldest planet. And there's a fun fact about Uranus. That is, it spins on its side. Thank you. And
Very
also,
nice, Ritvik. Actually, it is very difficult to remember all these things by a small child, such as 6 years child. And very nice. You will definitely become a scientist when you will grow up.
Thank you,
thank you,
ma'am, and
ma'am.
thank you for opportunity giving this opportunity.
Okay, then thank you. So let us start with the event. First participant in this list has not yet joined, I think. Sanjeev, have you joined? Sanjeev? Okay, so second participant, Karmokar Namrata Gautam. Please switch on your camera. Other participants, please mute the mic. Yes, yes, Namrata. Yes, you can. Yes, yes, you are visible.
Should I start?
Yes.
The most important, myself Namrata Karmakar, the most important for Bengali is Shank. And second is Dhunukhi dance. And the most important thing for Bengali, the Bengali woman wears red and white bangles and the alka. Thank you.
Very nice, Namrata.
Very nice, huh? Hmm.
Ma'am.
So we will that was very awesome. And next participant is Dheeraj Rajkumar Gupta. Dheeraj, have you joined? Dheeraj, are you there? I think he's not there. So let us go ahead. Divya Kundan Kasar. Divya, actually 38 students have registered, but 22 have joined here. Divya, are you there? Okay. Next, fifth one, Rakesh Prem Singh. Anshuka Madhvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anshuka. You can present now.
Can you see me, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Myself Anushka Madvi, and I am dressed up as a Koli tradition.
Wow.
Am I audible,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, you are audible.
Um, Actually, I'm dressed up as a Koli tradition, and we are. It is a specialty that we are fishermen, and we are very.
We are very what?
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
हाँ,
Actually, I can't hear you.
We can hear you.
yes, yes. You go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Very gorgeous.
Thank you, ma'am.
Show me your full dress. I
Yes.
cannot see your full dress.
You cannot see my full dress.
हाँ, I
Is
cannot.
there somebody to hold your camera?
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
I request other participants also to take someone's help so that camera one can take the camera.
Mira. Okay, ma'am. Can you see now?
Yes,
Hmm.
very nice. Shweta ma'am, do you want to ask
Yes,
any
ma'am.
questions?
No, ma'am. Beautiful.
Thank you, Anshuka.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we'll go ahead with the next participant. Anushi, have you joined? Anushi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, start Anushi.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Everything is okay, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
please go ahead. Yes.
Namaskar, Shubhrabhat, sab theek ho. I hope everyone is okay in this lockdown. So I am Anushi, and today I'm dressed up as Kashmir se Kanyakumari, and I'm going to act a performance. Ma'am, you can see me, right?
Yes, we
Yeah.
can.
കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ളായി മനുമായി കശാവി സാരി आणि मेरे परिंदा मेरे वर्ग जितना सोहनी आहे मैम आई एम सॉरी वन सेकेंड अच्छा बतावा तो का ये देखा था कि नहीं या बिहार से आए 5 लाख के कोनो के बताओ जिन अमार बिंदी अमार शक्ति इट्स फ्रॉम बंगाल इन तो पाई सनलाइट all the way from Tamil Nadu. These sticks on my head represents Orissa, the traditional dance called Chow. Neck piece from Arunachal Pradesh. And this neck piece is from Arunachal Pradesh, representing the salt and the soil. बारे माथो मध्ये राजस्थानी बेंदी मला खूप चोख लागो तमिळ मारी बंगोडी जोता होती मला सकाळपासून इतनं सीख येत नथनी या नथनीची मी काय करावी मला सकाळपासून सीख येत आहे संध्या मैम तो का हमार पायल कैसा लगा हम पता है कहाँ से लेकर आया यूपी से लेकर आया यूपी से वाराणसी के एक गांव से क्या बताइए सलाम वालेकुम हमार कान दूर आपको कैसा लगा ये कश्मीर की उन गलियों और कश्मीर के उन पहाड़ों से लाया गया है today it's not just about wearing traditional of one state or one specific region like Maharashtra or Karnataka, UP, Bihar, or anything like that. But I have been dressed as a traditional of the whole India. So yeah, that is it. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Awesome
Thank you.
performance, Anushi. Very nice. You have
Thank
shown
you
the
so much.
beauty of India.
It's about the whole India. These sticks are from Odisha. This is from Rajasthan. And the bindi represents Bengal. The Kashmiri jhumkas represent Kashmir. These neckpiece are glass made, has mirror work, which is from Arunachal Pradesh. They use it for dance, traditional dance. And this is from Bihar, golden with jewel diamond, like the motis. And this is the beaded, moti beaded. And the parinda is representing the Punjab. And this is a Kawasa sari from Kerala. And the belly tie from Tamil Nadu, if you can see, and the payal from Uttar Pradesh. And the Nathni, obviously, from Maharashtra. Thank you so much. I had so much fun. All the best to all the participants.
You were
Very
amazing.
nice.
Wow.
Thank you so much,
तुम्हारा
ma'am.
पायल अच्छा लगा हमें भी.
Nani ka hai. UP sir.
Okay, then
Thank
we'll go
you.
ahead with that. Very nice.
All the
Siddhi.
best.
Thank you. Siddhi.
Ma'am, Siddhi Patil.
Siddhi Patil. Just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
I will pin.
Ma'am, can I use my language?
Yes, yes.
Am I?
Before that, I would like to say our ma'am, principal ma'am had joined. I welcome principal ma'am to this event.
Thank you, Sandhya. All the students are doing very well.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Siddhi, you can start.
Ma'am, am I visible to you?
Yes, yes.
नमस्कार सर्वांना, माझं नाव आहे सिद्धी पाटील आणि माझं ट्रेडिशनल आहे कोळी लूक. कोळ्यांची छान फक्त दोनच गोष्टीत असतात, ती म्हणजे सोन्यांमध्ये आणि दुसरं म्हणजे आमच्या मावळ्यांमध्ये. स्लोगन बोलू शकते कोळ्यांसाठी की सोन्याची चमक आणि कोळ्यांची धमक ही आधीपासून आहे, आत्ता पण आहे आणि नेहमीच राहणार. धन्यवाद.
वा वा. सोन्याची चमक आणि कोळ्यांची धमक फारच छान.
थँक्यू मॅम.
Next participant, Sunny, are you there? I think Sunny is not there. Shrutika Dattatray Gholap. Shrutika. Yes, I think she is there.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just there is some time I need. Will you please give
Okay,
me?
okay. Shrutika, after the next participant, we'll come back to you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Priyanka Santosh Mande, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
मॅम करू माझा कॅमेरा ऑन.
हो हो कर.
माझं नाव प्रियांका मांडे. मी मराठीतच प्रेफर करते कारण ट्रेडिशनल आहे आणि मी ट्रेडिशनल वेअर घातलाय जो आमच्या इकडे युजली वापरला जातो. ऍक्च्युली मला नऊवारी साडी नाही भेटली, तर मम्मीच्या साडी नऊवारी साडी घातलेलं आहे. आणि तिथे फक्त नॉर्मल साडी जास्त काही केली तर तिथे आणि थोडासा मेकअप केलाय. ही साडी शिवाजी महाराजांच्या काळात जास्त करून घातली जायची कारण खूप हे व्हायचं गर्ल्स सुद्धा करायचा हॉर्स रायडिंग. तो बसताना वगैरे ह्या साडीमुळे प्रॉपर बसता येत.
Very nice. young girls are going back to Nawari. That is a very nice thing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good performance, Priyanka. Next one, Shrutika, are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
You please on your camera.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, yes, we can.
नाही पूर्ण दाखवणार.
कॅमेरा थोडा स्टेडी पकडावा लागेल.
Ma'am, I want to represent something, a poem regarding Maharashtra. So can I?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
But I want to talk in Marathi, so the essence should
No
not be
issue, no
spoiled.
issue.
Yeah,
You
thank
can
you, ma'am.
continue.
पंढरीच्या विठुराया कसं काय रे, बरं आहे ना? यंदा वारी नाही म्हणे, काय खरं आहे का? म्हणजे यंदा आम्ही विठुरायांनी रखमाईला बघायचंच नाही. अरे लेकरांनी तर कसं आई आणि बापाला भेटायचं नाही? नाही नाही, आम्हाला काही अडचण नाही, आम्ही डोळे झाकून घेतो. नाही नाही, आम्हाला काही अडचण नाही, आम्ही डोळे झाकून घेतो. नुसतं श्रीहरी म्हणलं की तुझा चेहरा समोर येतो. पण विचार कर रे बाबा, तुला खरंच जमेल का? विचार कर रे बाबा, तुला खरंच जमेल का? पंढरीच गजबजली नाही तर तुझा जीव रमेल का? पण पंढरीच्या विठुराया वारी नाही हे वाईटच झालं. पण पंढरीच्या विठुराया वारी नाही हे वाईटच झालं. पण खरं सांगू का, यंदा तुझं दर्शन गावोगावी झालं. पण खरं सांगू का, यंदा तुझं दर्शन गावोगावी झालं. अरे तू होतास की रे त्या दवाखान्यात, असा तुगा ठाकलेला, चंदनाचा लेप नाही पण पीपीई किट घातलेला. तू बंदोबस्तालाही होतास जेव्हा खाकी वस्त्र घालून, कचरा सुद्धा उचललास की रे खाली मान घालून. पंढरीच्या विठुराया किती धडपडलास रे, एवढं सगळं करून पुन्हा सीमेवर पण लढलास रे. नाही येत बघ देवा आता, नाही येत बघ देवा यंदा, तुला आराम देतो. पुढच्या वर्षी तू भेटायला वारी करून येतो. पुढल्या वर्षी भेटायला वारी करून येतो. पण तेव्हा गर्दीच्या मनात कसलीच भीती आणू नको, तेव्हा गर्दीच्या मनात कसलीच भीती आणू नको. तुझ्या भक्तीशिवाय दुसरा कुठलाच संसर्ग ठेवू नको. संसर्ग भक्तीचा, स्वच्छता त्या चंद्रभागेच्या स्नानाची. संसर्ग भक्तीचा आणि स्वच्छता त्या चंद्रभागेच्या स्नानाची. या सगळ्यावर एकच लस, ज्ञानबा तुकाराम नामाची. थँक्यू मॅम.
Very nice, Shrutika. Have you written this? You have written?
No, I got it from YouTube.
That was very, very good. आहेच विठोबा आपल्या मागे आहे आणि कोरोनाची लस लवकरात लवकर आणून आपल्याला मोकळं करणार आहे.
Sure, ma'am.
ठीक आहे. We'll go ahead with the next participant. Just a minute. Shweta ma'am, will you please call up this phone is switched off. Prajapati something name was there.
Yeah. Prajapati.
Prajapati Roshni Vinod.
Roshni Vinod.
Are you there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next participant, Sonali.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Sonali. Okay. Okay, start Sonali.
Namaskar. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sonali Pui from FIBSC, and I have taken the Bengali Getup and Diwali in advance to all of you. Thank you.
Wait,
Nice.
Sonali. Sonali, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see your full makeup now. Good. Very nice. Okay, Sonali. Thank you.
Thank you,
Nice.
ma'am.
You have nicely wore the Bengali sari. Next
Thank
part.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
After Sonali, Shweta Sharad Pawar. Shweta, have you joined? Yes or no, please tell. Then Shweta. Okay, next one. Akshaya Shivaji Jadhav. Akshaya, are you there? I think Akshaya is not there. So next, Muskan Sheikh. Muskan. Shivang Gupta, 17 number. Shivang.
Hello, ma'am.
Just a minute. Yes.
Divya
Who is
Kasar.
Who is
Hello,
it?
ma'am. Divya Kasar.
दिव्या.
हाँ.
622 ये तुम्हारा है दिव्या?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. दिव्या तुम्हारा नाम हो गया था क्या पहले? Yes, yes. हाँ, you had not joined that time. Okay, okay, start. Divya, please switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम मी महाराष्ट्रीयन लुक केला आहे. मॅम, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
मॅम मी मराठी लुक केला आहे.
हो. दिव्या तू थोडं मागे उभी राहिलीस ना? Steady, because the camera is shaking and we are not able to see it. It is blur, very blur. Yeah, now it is clear. मला वाटतं तू फुलं पण घातली आहेस. Back. हा. Okay, you want to say something?
तू किती जरी तरी ना सरत्या चंद्रकोर करी.
Voice.
Yes, Divya, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
घातले अलंकार तू किती जरी तरी ना सर त्याला चंद्रकोर परी. मॅम हे बघा मी चंद्रकोर लावले आहे आणि ही मराठीची शान आहे. मॅम थँक्यू.
Thank you,
Divya.
Divya.
छान दिसतेस. Okay.
थँक्यू मॅम.
Move ahead with the next participant now. So that was Divya Kundan, 4 number. Nishigandha, I think Shivang Gupta. Shivang Gupta, are you there? Shivang? Nishigandha?
Nishigandha is there.
Nishigandha?
Yeah. Namaskar,
Okay.
Sandhya ma'am and Shweta ma'am and all my dear friends. Today I have dressed up as a Bengali traditional woman and I would start with a small poem. विस्तारनी पारोरे असंख्य जनरे हाहाकार खुनियो निशब्द नीरवे बुढ़ालुई तुम्हें बुढ़ालुई बुआ कियो विस्तार है अपार प्रजा दोनों पार करे हाहाकार निशब्द सदा ओ गंगा बहती हो क्यों. This is a song sung by Bhupen Hazarika in Bengali. It describes about the fact that even when India is suffering from female feticide, female violence, still why is the Ganga silent? Still why Ganga is ready to wash away all the bad karmas that people collect due to all these bad things that they do to women? Why even after so much sacrifice of women, the world doesn't stop and looks up and tries to stop them? Ahead I want to talk about that not only that Bengali look, I am wearing Bengali look. I am not myself Bengali, but the reason I am wearing Bengali sari is because of Asmita Chatterjee. You don't know that Asmita Chatterjee is one of the first women who, even after having MSc of chemistry degree, she is the first woman who became a chairman of a university. That too in 1993. Can you believe it? Just few years ago, a woman was allowed to become a chairman of a university. That is where Indian women are standing. That is the fight that Indian women have done. Asmita Chatterjee is a woman who has founded out asymptomatic drugs so that she can help India, and also she has published so many books for Indians and medical plants. I want to also talk about that the first women's school was also built in Bethune, Kolkata in 1853. The second Mahavidyalaya for women was built also in Kolkata, Hindu Mahavidyalaya in Kolkata. So this whole dress up and this whole get up is nothing but just a celebration of womankind that Bengal has given to us. We all know the great Jyotiba Rao Phule, who has done so much for India. But do we know that the first women college and the first women school was built up by Sri Rabindranath Tagore for Indian women's education, not a foreigner. Although they represent a foreigner, it was actually us who asked for the commission. It's just that on paper, it's their name. I would also like to perform a beautiful dance that Bengalis do on Durga Puja, celebrating the female power. You can see my looks. This is my whole look. I'm also wearing my Kathak ghungroos. I don't know if I can show you because there's no one in my home. So I would start my dance.
Very good.
Awesome, Nishigandha. Really, information, dress up, dance. Very nice, Nishigandha. We will call up the next participant now, Adarsh Manoj Pathak. Adarsh Pathak, are you there? Next, Geeta Chaudhary. Geeta, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put on the camera.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry for interruption.
Yes?
Ma'am, I just wanted to tell you that please announce about the feedback form. I have shared that feedback form in chat box.
Yes, all participants are requested to fill the feedback form, and if they want to participate in any other event, and if the time is there, yeah, you can leave this meeting, but before that you have to fill the feedback form compulsorily. Otherwise we will be sending the certificates through the feedback form only. So all the participants have to fill the feedback form, take the link from the chat box, and then they can continue here, they can watch here, or if they are having any other event, they can leave also. No problem there. Okay, Geeta, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes.
Yes.
हमारा नाम मैम छोटा सा सॉन्ग सुनाना मैं थोड़ा मैम
हाँ गीता, शुरू करो. हाँ.
जाओ जी मन प्रीत करावो जी मन क्यों तरसावे है मन कसक दिखाओ जी. हमारे राजस्थान के फेमस डिश दाल बाटी चूरमा. आप सब पधार जाओ राजस्थान. थैंक यू.
Good, very nice.
Rajasthan for the first time. So next participant, Nikki Ghanashyam Gupta. I think she has not joined. Then Ashwini Singh. Participants, please say yes or no so that we can wait for you. Ashwini. Okay, we'll go ahead. Jayesh Patil. Jayesh, you are there, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, I'm on.
Yes. Yes, start, Jayesh. Jayesh, please switch mic on. Please make the mic on.
Okay, now? Yeah.
Yes, now you are.
नमस्कार, मी जय सुखदेव पाटील. आज मी महाराष्ट्राची पारंपरिक वेशभूषा दर्शनाचा प्रयत्न करत आहे. तर मी आज महाराष्ट्राची एक फेमस मध्ये बोलू शकतो आपण एक पारंपरिक वेशभूषा धारण केली आहे ती दर्शनाचा प्रयत्न करत आहे. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहित असेल एक महाराष्ट्राचे एक म्हणून आपण ओळखला जाणारं महाराष्ट्राचे एक अगवा फेटा एक आपण म्हणतो एक कुर्ता असतो नंतर आपण पाजामा किंवा धोतर घालतो आणि एक चंद्रकोर टीका असतो आणि एक पारंपरिक कळा. अशा प्रकारे महाराष्ट्राची वेशभूषा एक वेगळी असून एक वेगळी त्याची ओळख आहे. तर आज मी या स्पर्धानिमित्त महाराष्ट्राच्या या संस्कृतीबद्दल एक दोन ओळी बोलू इच्छितो. आम्हा तुझी कधी गळगळणारा नभा आसमानातील सुलतानायला जबाब देती जीवा सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गरजतो शिवशंभू राजा दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा. धन्यवाद. जय महाराष्ट्र.
That was very nice. Jai Maharashtra. Okay, so next participant. Dilshad Hussain.
Yes, ma'am. That's.
Just a minute. Dilshad, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
ये जयेश पाटिल तुम्हारा माइक्रोफोन ऑन है ना? दिलशद तुम्हारा भी माइक्रोफोन ऑन करो जरा 2 मिनट के लिए, so that I will come to know. You have logged in with your name only? Jayesh, Dilshad is with you? Dilshad, shall we wait or go ahead? I think he is not there. Akshata Hogle. Akshata, are you there? Next, Pooja Manjure. Pooja, please switch on your camera. Pooja, are you ready? श्वेता मैम, आगे का पार्टिसिपेंट अनाउंस करूं फिर? पूजा इज देयर बट शी इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग.
हाँ वो है लेकिन रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रही हूँ.
कम बैक टू हर देन. शशिकांत सॉ. शशिकांत सॉ. He is not there.
लक्ष्मण.
Lakshman Tilakram Chauhan. Lakshman. He is also not there. Snehal Chandrakant Doifode. Snehal Doifode.
Manisha.
Manisha Jagdish Yadav. Manisha, are you there?
Deepali.
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha.
It is Anshuka, I think. Manisha. Okay, Deepali. Deepali Chotu Khajure. Deepali, are you there?
Deepali Kamath. Nasreen Sheikh.
Deepali Kamath. Many participants have not joined.
हम जो हैं उनको पहले कर लेते हैं.
Nasreen, now only 5 to 6 are remaining, so we'll go by sequence only. Sheikh Nasreen Ghulam Muhammad. Okay. Pallavi Prabhakar Suradkar. Pallavi Suradkar. Megha Anand Mughale. Megha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Yes, start.
माझा आवाज येतोय?
हो हो येतोय.
मी एक कविता म्हणते महाराष्ट्रावर. महाराष्ट्राची शान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, मुंबईची जान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, निसर्ग सौंदर्याची जिथे खान तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, पंचगंगा जिथे वाहती तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, शिवरायांची कर्मभूमी तो महाराष्ट्र माझा, संतांची पुण्यभूमी असा महाराष्ट्र माझा, संस्कृतीची नाळ जोडतो महाराष्ट्र माझा, पराक्रमाचा इतिहास ज्याला तो महाराष्ट्र माझा. जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय महाराष्ट्र. घरात राहा, सुरक्षित राहा. नमस्कार. थँक्यू.
आता Tisha? Good. Tisha, are you there? Nupur? Nupur?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nupur. You can start.
Namaskaram. I am presenting you the tradition of Kerala country, and it has a distinct and diverse cultural background, and it's known for its soothing Ayurveda. Now, I would like to present a very famous Kerala boat song. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ വേണി കുയിലാടും താരാതേതും വേണം കൂര വേണം കുരവ വേണം വേണം കൂര വേണം very famous sports song, Sangha, and Kuttanada is a region in Kerala, and they do this festival of rice. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and thank you so much, ma'am.
It was very nice. Actually, we could not hear completely. There was some voice problem, but still you were singing so nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Shweta ma'am, you want to hear again or?
Yes, I will hear.
Okay, Nupur, will you please repeat it? Camera, यानी microphone पास में रख के थोड़ा.
हाँ. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തെത്തൈ ദഗദൈദൈതും കുട്ടുവേണി കുയിലായെന്ത് താരാതനീതൈ കുട്ടു വേണം കൂര വേണം കൂരവ വേണം വേണം കൂര വേണം കൂരവ വേണം മോദത്തിൻ താരാതിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈദൈതും താരാതിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈദൈതും താരാതിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈദൈതും
Very nice.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll move to the last participant, means last in this list, and we will give the chance to the missed participants also. Mitali Palkar. Mitali, have you joined? I think Mitali is also not there. So the participants remaining, if anyone whose name was called upon but he joined later on, is there anyone?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Pooja.
Yes. Just a minute. Pooja Manjure. Yes, Pooja, switch on your camera. Yes, we can see you. I think some internet problem is there. Pooja, are you able to hear me? Yes, she has joined again. Yes, Pooja, we are able to see you. Oh, internet problem is there on Pooja's place, I think. What to do, Shweta ma'am?
इसका मैम वेट करें इसके लिए थोड़ा.
Let us wait for 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, tell her to log out and log in again.
She had logged out, I think. Again, she joined. Just a minute. श्वेता मैम, एक काम करें क्या, पूजा का परफॉर्मेंस डायरेक्टली वीडियो कॉल से अगर आप देख लोगे बाद में तो
ओके नो
नहीं तो उसको फोन करने में और फिर से इसमें ज्वाइन होने में थोड़ा टाइम जाएगा ना, और
हाँ।
इफ यू से वी विल वेट देन।
नो नो, ठीक है मैम, वीडियो पे लेते हैं उसका।
आई विल सी इफ आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर। वीडियो पे ही लेना पड़ेगा मैम परफॉर्मेंस, अभी फिर से अगर ज्वाइन किया तो प्रॉब्लम रहेगा ही। एनीवन एल्स हुज परफॉर्मेंस मिस्ड आउट? Okay, I think now all the participants have presented. Thank you all for participation. That was a nicely conducted event, and you all were looking awesome, and you had prepared very nicely. So the winners will be announced later on the WhatsApp group. We will send the names of the winners. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am.
Thank you. Goodbye. Make sure that you all have filled the feedback form. Please fill the feedback form. That is necessary. The link is given in the chat box.
आई थिंक कुछ बच्चे लिसन नुपुर, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने
हाँ,
शायद फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल नहीं किया है, कुछ एक दो मैसेजेस आए थे कि एक बार फिर से
Send the
ज्वाइन करिए।
feedback form on the WhatsApp group also, and those
हाँ।
who had performed, they should fill it. We will say, we can check it later on with the attendance also.
ओके।
Participants, please fill the feedback form and then you can leave. Okay, Anjali.
हॅलो मॅम.
हाँ मैम.
संध्या मॅम.
हाँ राजेश्री मैम.
मॅम किती झाले टोटल परफॉर्मन्स?
परफॉर्मेंस आता श्वेता मैम कडे एक्चुअली
एक मिनट मैम, मैं बताती हूँ आपको।
हाँ मैम बता दीजिए ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे फीडबैक में आई थिंक
7
टोटल
8 9 10 11
Jayesh, have you filled the feedback form? Jayesh?
13 है टोटल।
टोटल 13. ओके मैम.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13। हाँ मैम 13 है।
ओके मॅम.
फीडबॅक फॉर्म किती आले मॅम? राजेश्री मॅम.
टोटल तेच बघते मॅम, इथे फक्त 8 दिसत आहेत.
अच्छा, आई थिंक अदर्स आर फिलिंग, जो भी मीटिंग में है अभी भी.
ओके मैम.
Okay, shall I close the meeting then? We will send the link in the WhatsApp group also. We already know who had performed, so that will not be a problem.
मॅम बट व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप मध्ये मग ज्यांनी परफॉर्मन्स नाही दिले
नाही
त्यांनी
केलंय
जर
ते
फिल
पण.
केले तर?
ओके ओके, मग इथेच थांबूया जरा वेळ वाट बघू.
हो.
अनुष्का. मेघा.
मैम मैं फॉर्म फिल कर रही हूँ।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है। I think only Megha is there. Other participants have left. पूजा पूजा आवाज येतोय?
हॅलो मॅम.
हाँ हाँ आलं का इंटरनेट? हॅलो पूजा. पूजा आता जर इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लेम आला ना तर तू लॉग आउट करून पुन्हा एकदा लॉग इन करू शकते किंवा व्हिडिओ कॉल करून श्वेता मॅम तुझा परफॉर्मन्स बघतील. आता मी पिन करते तुला. तू कॅमेरा ऑन कर जरा. प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कॅमेरा पूजा.
कॉल लीव करू क्या?
हाँ हाँ मेघा.
थँक्यू मॅम.
वेलकम बेटा. पूजा जरा कॅमेरा खाली घ्यायला लागेल. तुझा चेहरा नाही दिसत आहे. छत दिसतंय म्हणजे घराचं. Is there somebody to hold your mobile? ठीक है श्वेता मैम मैं उसे कॉल कर लेती हूँ और वीडियो कॉल पे ही उसका परफॉर्मेंस देख लेते हैं फिर. मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप नंबर है शायद.
हाँ चलेगा मैम. नो प्रॉब्लम.
लीना मैम हाउ वाज इट?
It was great. You both have done very well.
Thank you ma'am.
Even Rajshri is also there, no?
Yes yes.
Three of you have done well.
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very well organized. And students also have given very nice performances.
Yes, निशिगंधा तो मल्टी टैलेंटेड है मैम. अभी देखा मैंने डांस भी आता है उसको.
Yeah, she was the best. I will say she was the best.
लास्ट ईयर भी परफॉर्म किया था उसने कॉलेज में.
किया था क्या? मैंने नहीं देखा.
हाँ मैम. लास्ट ईयर स्ट्रिंग फेस्टिवल में किया था ना उसने. डांस था उसका.
नहीं हमने नहीं देखा.
हाँ मैम अच्छा किया था उसने. डांस आता है. इवन उसकी मम्मी कोरियोग्राफ करती है.
But the theme what she expressed, wow, that was amazing.
And the Bengali she learned for that. She is not Bengali even then she the song and everything.
ये नूपुर कैरेलियन है क्या? उसने भी मलयालम सॉन्ग गाया.
ठीक है फिर मैं यहाँ से फिर उसको मुझे कॉल करना पड़ेगा ना मंजूड़े को.
हाँ मैम.
एग्जिट करूँ फिर?
हाँ लो हम निकल जाते. Thank you everyone. I enjoyed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Be honored. Thank you ma'am.